The best compositions guide attention naturally instead of demanding it. Today, how to create directional storytelling frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Begin with a soft gradient background using muted blue and light gray tones. Insert 3 rectangular frames and arrange them diagonally from the top left toward the bottom right corner. Upload your images and place them inside the frames, adjusting each crop carefully for continuity. Increase the size of the middle frame slightly so it becomes the focal point. Add thin connecting lines between the frames and reduce their opacity so they remain subtle. Slightly rotate the final frame by a few degrees